Located on the Caribbean coast south of the Yucatan Peninsula, Belize is host to more than 580 resident or migratory bird species. This DVD presents 288 of those species. All filming was done in Belize from 2005 to 2013, during the first 3 months of the year. Vocalizations for many species are provided, though not necessarily originating from the featured individuals. Many vocalizations were recorded by John V. Moore for his excellent CD, A Bird Walk on Cheech, and are used here with his permission. The presentation of the species follows the plate order of the Dana Gardner illustrations in the H. Lee Jones Field Guide, Birds of Belize, published by the University of Texas Press. It is the best guide for the identification of bird species in Belize. Published in 2013 by the American Birding Association, A Birder's Guide to Belize by Burt Friends is a must-have for anyone interested in Belize birds. This book contains very detailed information on where to go in Belize for the best birding opportunities and where particular species may be found. It is highly recommended. All of these resources will enhance the Belize birding experience and are available through suppliers like Amazon.com.